So my name is Rafał, I'm from Poland. Sometimes in a life of wood turners we have make some special decision, and today is the day when I have to make a decision. If I want to create something new, something better, I have to leave my old lathe. She is spending with me almost 2 years. I was learning on them, and today I have to say not goodbye, because I will be using this lathe for bigger projects, to making a bowl blanks or blanks for vases, some bigger pieces. I have got from my wife a new lathe. It will be mini lathe, because this lathe is, I will show you how there is a many problems with it. The main problem is moving tailstock, and I never could center properly how I wish. The tool rest, you see, is moving on the left and right. The construction is thin and is shaking a lot, and I was having many problems with it. I have to spend many hours to correct my projects. I hope so in future with new lathe I could make some better projects. This lathe will be under my stand for light. So let's do it. Let's change it. Let's make some new, some better things, some better projects. Enjoy. Okay, I have bring my new lathe. Why I'm talking always lathe? Maybe I need a coffee. My new lathe. You see, this is a mini lathe. I'm very happy because this is a iron. It's not iron. I forgot this word. No, jeszcze raz. Okay, I'm back. I bring it my new lathe. You see, it's a cast iron. It's not a tin. It's better. I have a headstock spindle speed, so I can turn and turn up and turn down my speed. I don't need to change a belt. Okay, what can I say? This lowest speed is 650 and highest speed is 3800. In the set what I've got, I have two tailstock, two tool rest, one shorter, one longer. The banjo is iron cast 2. Okay, one head. I don't know. I forgot how it. You know what is this? And the life center, and the faceplate. It's iron cast 2. It's strong. I hope so. Let's see how it's work. it should be 650. Let's see. 642, 43. Speed up. You see it's working very quiet. Okay. Maybe for now. Okay, let's check the centers are in the same position. Put this correctly. Almost. Okay, it should be good. I have to learn to manipulate this lathe. Which side I have to turn, I don't know, I don't remember. I will learn it. Okay, for now everything is good. It's time to check how it is work. I will take some small pieces of wood. Okay, I've made a hole. Okay, good, this is good. I will take a longer tool rest. New things never fit correctly. Okay. So high. Okay, let it stay. Let's take some speed. Make something bad. Okay. Now should be okay. it's working pretty good. I will take the glasses and speed up a little. Okay, it works very good. I'm very happy. Now let's find out how the faceplate is working. I will take something no centered, something wobbling, and find out how the lathe will be shaped. Okay, I have found a piece of maple. It's off-centered. Let's see how it will be shaking or not shaking. I hope so. As I said, the faceplate is iron cast. It's made of iron cast. Let's find out how it will be work. We will start here. On this height. I will take tailstock. For now I will take off. When I found the center, I will put the tailstock to the live center. Now the gouge. I have to take a roofing gouge and glasses. It's pretty good. It's not shaking a lot. As I said, I have to rebuild my stand plate. It will be more stability. will take it closer. And I will use a spindle gouge. Take a ball gouge. It's a big difference for me that tool rest didn't shake it. I'm really happy. Let's turn the speed. Take it down a little. I have made a little life center. Now I will check with a tail stock, is it fit? It fit very good. George's. Okay, I will leave it. I have an idea for a ball with this. I have to secure some cracks, but now it's not important. I'm really happy. It's enough for now. I hope so you enjoy the video. I'm sorry for my language, but I think you understand everything, or you see everything. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the, I don't know. I hope so we will see in future with next projects. I have prepared one project, but you will see. See you later.